Today I'm going to show you how to customize this resume and also how you'll export this resume without this guideline and grade everything. So this resume made by Microsoft Word, so this will be very simple for you to customize this. So in first section you can see image, so you can change your image just change by clicking on the image and click the change picture and from file, and then you just place your image, then it will be replaced by your image. So let me upload any one of my image, for example this. Okay, you can see my design didn't change, just I uploaded my picture and it's replaced. Okay, and everything are simplified, you can change everything very quickly. And if you don't need any of the row, just delete this and shift cell up, that's all. Sorry, delete this and delete entire row. Okay, now if you want to change the title, if you want to change the description or overview, if you want to change the work experience, this is pretty simple. Okay, and in the left panel you'll have the skill option or expertise option. You can change skill or expertise easily. If you don't want any skills, then just remove it. If you want to add more skill, just copy one of the line, just press enter and just place your subtitle here how you want. So this is very simple, you can do yourself. Okay, so I did this resume by using table. So the alignment and the font size and some other stuffs already organized, so you don't need to hassle about this. So you can see I put some grid here so that you can see the alignment and the design format. So if you want to export this, first of all you need to go to layout, just click on anywhere, just go to layout and view grid, just unselect this view grid, then you can see this resume will be clear. Okay, and then you can just go to file and save as, and then just save as PDF. Okay, that's all. Then you can export and you can send your CV. So anyone want to buy this CV, just order me on Fiverr or directly contact with me using my email, this email. And I'll provide you. And also if you want to customize your resume how you want, then also you can let me know, I will do this for you. Thank you.